Okay guys, hello and good morning. It's me again, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha. And with me,
Ganda naman ng intro. Ayan. Hi guys, my name is Aris ng Sawyami Talaga page. Welcome dito sa City Hypermarket.
yes, of course, nandito tayo sa City Hypermarket located at Salwa Road. And this is the first ever na branch nila outside from their territory.
Oo, sa Kuwait.
So talagang Kuwait-based company to. And ito yung pinakauna, okay, na branch dito sa Doha right now. And of course, hindi natin to patagalin pa.
Oo.
Bakit tayo nandito?
Para sa campaign. Teka muna. Para sa campaign.
Oo, para sa campaign
Para
na
sa campaign na 1 to 100 guys. Makikita nyo paano, kung gaano karami at gaano tawag dito yung items na 1 to 100.
Na 1 to 100. But before we proceed for do sa mga 1 to 100, ilang taon na ba tong Ilang taon na ba itong
City Hyper?
City Hyper?
Oo. Ilang taon na nga ba? Ikaw nag-review hindi.
We have actually know this one. So, 25
years na to. Ganun siya katibay guys. 25 years.
25 years na in Kuwait.
Oo.
And siya yung namamayagpag doon ngayon. But anyway, this is just an expansion of their empire of supermarket or hypermarket. And ito is marami itong variety, no? Marami itong mga other varieties, marami itong section. Same as sa mga hypermarket here in Doha. But this campaign, okay, napili kami as to highlight this
1 to 100.
major campaign to.
Meron nag-message sa akin bro. Saan daw yung location nito?
Oh, saan yung location ito? By the way, we are live at Sawyami Talaga Facebook page. And he has like 1.4 million.
1.3
million
followers.
Okay, and we are actually privileged to have Mr. Aris, the founder of Sawyami Talaga, and other pages. So,
Location nito Brad nung
location is, kung alam mo, is yung Salwa Road.
Salwa Road, okay.
So, kung alam mo yung Ramada, okay, I think halos lahat naman alam mo Ramada, di ba? So, ang best location nito is katabi siya ng Starbucks.
Correct.
So, katabi siya ng Starbucks.
Madali lang siya makita.
Madali siyang makita. So, kung alam mo yung Jarir, opposite ng Jarir.
Opposite ng Jarir, yan.
And yung ating topic ngayon is about the 1 to 100
campaign.
And syempre, of course, andito yung ating mga
items natin, di ba?
Items natin.
Napakarami talagang pagpipilian sa 1 to 100.
Oh, and wait, there's more.
There's more.
Okay, there's more. So, Aris, ilan ba ang pamimigay natin yan? Andito sa akin para may baraha ako ngayon, di ba?
So, may giveaways na ibibigay ng City Hyper para sa mga magpa-follow nung Facebook page nila.
At saka, gagamitan ng official hashtag.
Official hashtag.
So, ano ba ang official hashtag natin ngayon? Hashtag City Hyper Doha. Or hashtag City Hyper 1 to 100.
1 to 100. Para
ayan, alam nyo na yan, ha?
Hanggang kailan mo itong promotion na 1 to 100?
Well, starting today until the 22nd of this month until June 4. So, you have like 2 weeks more, no?
Oo, 2 weeks,
2 weeks more. So, ang kagandahan dito, it's very near, very concentrated in the Siring Road, Ramada. Everyone knows Ramada. Everyone knows Jarir. Everyone knows Starbucks at the City Hyper. And marami tayong mga vlogger dito. Si Qatari Vlogger is also here.
Oo. So, invite time.
Oo. So, guys, this is the one good opportunity for us to have you have this message again from City Hyper Doha. And ito yung hinahawakan ko ngayon, guys. Alam niyo to? Siyempre, mamimigay kami.
Ayun. So,
each will be having 100 reals gift voucher. So manalo nito, guys, after this video. And by the way, we're gonna have a quick tour, no?
Magkakaroon kami ng tour, live tour. Sinasabi namin 1 to 100. Ano bang items?
At saka, syempre, ano pa yung mabudol sa inyo, di ba? Bubudulin namin kayo.
Budol is real.
Budol is real sa Qatar, but only here at the City Hyper Doha. And ano pa ba yung kasi meron silang dito yung parang pinakang partnership, which is a UK hyper supermarket. Actually, partner sila with Waitrose.
Waitrose, oo.
Did you know that Waitrose is namamayagpag din sa UK? Para siyang different like hypermarket or supermarket. That's a top one seller in UK. But their our product is actually here. They're very exclusive in the sole partnership of City Hyper Doha.
Saka syempre ikutin din natin yung mga Filipino na ano.
Oh, for sure.
Filipino food,
That is in the ethnic.
Oo,
Sa ethnic location nila, so may dedicated location sila na yung variety of products is actually nandun. So mga Pilipino out there, we will be having our tour. And of course, yung sa mga uuwi ng Pilipinas.
Oh, yung mga uwi ng Pilipinas na kailangan nila ng pasalubong, dito na kayo pumunta sa City Hyper at magpabudol kayo sa 1 to 100 nilang promotion. Ang dami guys.
Ang dami
Mga
guys. At
chocolate.
saka syempre ito rin ang I think supermarket na may Daiso.
Correct.
So Daiso, we have actually Daiso upstairs. So we will be having a quick tour about the products that we'll be having. It's a Japan-based, you know, alam mo naman ang Daiso, maraming branches yan in Doha. So, privilege tayo na pupuntahan natin sa taas. We will be having a separate tour for that. And ano pa bang ano dito? Ano ba nagustuhan mo dito?
Yung sa akin, para sa akin, yung fish nila. Kasi dito,
yung fish. Oh, tama.
Dito kasi guys, pag gusto nyo mag-grocery, usually, bibili kayo ng isda, papalinisan, uwi sa bahay, piprito. Dito hindi. Pumunta kayo sa fish area, makita kayo ng fish. For example, yung isang fish, yung tilapa, 10 reals per kilo.
Oo.
Paluto mo doon, paihaw mo, same price, 10
Same
reals.
price, diba?
Kapag grocery ka na,
na-cut yung time, di ba?
oo, nakat yung time. Oo, tsaka yung, tawag dito, yung preparation.
Yung preparation ng
kung may
syempre.
sinaing ka na, kung meron ka ng
diba?
sinaing sa bahay,
Oo.
may ulam ka na, automatic.
So ipag-grill mo lang doon, automatically pag uwi yung bahay, may kakainin ka na.
May ulam
Nag-grocery ka na. Actually, kahit wala kang gasol, pumunta ka lang dito, bumili ka ng ano, di ba?
Parang yung sa ating paluto. Ayun,
Paluto.
parang paluto.
So, nakabili kayo ng product dito, at the same time, lulutuin nila.
Correct.
So that's really convenient for all of the people na naghahanap ng mga ganung simpleng easy stop shop na may mga ganung ano.
Alam naman natin dito, di ba? Mostly nasa Qatar.
Mabilis ang oras dito. Napaka-important ng oras.
Tayo, kailangan natin pumasok sa work.
Pagod na after
So at least merong shop na talagang one-stop shop na nandito na lahat.
Yep. And of course, hindi mawala dito yung yung tinatawag nilang free car wash. Paano ba yung free car wash?
Free car wash, ito, yan pa. Napaka-importante itong free car wash.
So yung free car wash, guys, ganito. Ako sa family namin, ang grocery namin is, let's say, for example, 500 per week. 500 per week. Did you know, that if you will be having a car wash, minimum, let's say we have sedan and SUV, ganyan. Ang babayaran mo, at least 55 reals na agad. At least 55 Qatari reals agad. 35 to 55 Qatari reals. Yun ang babayaran mo agad automatically. But here, nag-shopping ka na, later on, after that, you have this receipt and give it to the cleaner outside. By the way, may mga cleaner sa labas.
Pero sila doon. So, pakita mo yung resibo mo.
Pakita mo yung resibo. But ano ba yung resibo dapat?
Resibo ng grocery.
Which is amounting of
300.
300.
So, 300 reals, may free car wash.
May free car wash ka doon.
Napaka-solid nun, di ba?
And di ba parang nakasave ka na, nag-grocery ka, especially for families. Especially for families out there na nag-grocery every week.
Nagpaluto ka, nag-grocery ka. Pagbalik mo,
may free car wash ka pa. Malinis, di ba?
Malinis na, di ba? Napakagaling na nag-isip nitong City Hyper.
Ang galing na idea. Kumbaga parang pag weekend, papasok mo ng office, ang linis ng kotse mo. Ang bango-bango pa ng kotse mo. Kasi ngayon dito lang I think nakita ko na ganitong execution. Ganitong type of marketing and ganitong type of shopping experience na nag-grocery ka na, may ulam ka na, Actually, hindi mo binili yung ulam, ha? Hindi mo binili yung ulam. Binili mo yung isda lang.
Binili mo yung isda.
So, pinaluto nila. Pagbalik mo sa bahay, ang linis ng kotse mo, may kakainin ka na, and a shopping experience at the next level talaga.
Galing. Talagang pinag-isipan talaga.
Very good, ha?
Talagang
very smart. Okay?
Palakpakan natin.
Talagang palakpakan natin ang City Hyper,
Napakagaling ng strategy nilang yun.
And by the way, dun sa taas, iikot tayo mamaya, di ba?
Oo.
Iikot tayo mamaya. And then, meron dong Nasser Sports,
Nasir, yun. Paborito
Diba?
kong bilihan ng mga ano yan. Kasi
mga sports items.
Pag nag-workout, ganun.
Meron pang isa. Ano pa?
Ano ba isa?
Meron pang isa, which is yung Daiso, isa na doon.
Oo, Daiso.
Yung other electronics, which is Jumbo Electronics.
Jumbo. O, yung
Diba?
Jumbo, no? Kilala
So
yun.
mamaya pupunta tayo sa taas.
So,
Mamaya guys, pupunta kami sa taas. And si Aris ngayon, nag-ready na kasi.
nag-ready na ako,
siya-
nag-ikutin ko rito.
By the way, may flyers ngayon ha. May flyers dito. Pag pumunta dito, may flyers. So, ano ba yung mga kailangan nating bilhin dito pag nag-grocery? What do you think?
Usually, yung kailangan natin, pag nag-grocery tayo, usually gumagawa na tayo ng list.
List, di ba?
May checklist na tayo
May
na gagawin.
checklist eh,
Oo.
para-
Nagawa na tayo ng checklist niyan. Pagkatapos, para pagdating dito, alam na natin kung ano yung kukuhanin
Hindi tayo
natin
parang
agad.
tako mata.
Correct.
Kung work on budget ka, and then you work on the list, ma-prevent mo yung overspend
Tama.
of money. Kasi, for example, ito, bibili ka ng itlog, 1 tray,
Oo,
10
10
reals.
reals. Oo,
Di ba?
solid,
10 reals,
no?
solid.
Solid yung
Di ba?
10 reals, talagang budol talaga.
Oo.
10 reals. Tapos, syempre, di ba, pag pupunta ka rito, pagod ka na, di ba? Galing
Pagod
sa
ka na.
trabaho.
Mhm.
So, at least dito, dadapot ka na lang, ilalagay mo na lang sa cart mo, nakapagpaluto ka na ng
Yes.
pagkain, magpapahinga ka na lang.
Yes.
So,
May mga other product
galing.
dito na gusto ko, actually. Personally, gusto ko. Kasi ito, for example, yung mga sampin na stainless guys to ha, stainless ha. 10 reals to, at saka yung mga salad bowl nila. Yung deep puted ba yun?
Oo.
At syempre, itong pinaka main page, ito yung mga most necessity.
Oo,
Yung
1 to
bigas dito,
100.
Jasmine rice Jasmine rice. Tingnan mo yung price dito, it's 18 reals lang. 18 reals. Yung Toblerone, 14 reals. Yung mga pagpapasulubong niyang pauwi, di ba?
Pauwi ng Pilipinas.
Yung pauwi-
Guys, dito na kayo
pauwi ng mga
magpabudol.
Pilipinas,
Sa
diba?
City Hypermarket, guys. Ayun.
So, yun. Ano pa bang gusto mo dito?
Wala na, siguro ikutin na lang natin.
O, ikutin na lang
makita
natin
rin ng
kasi mamaya iikot kami.
mga
And,
followers natin.
by the way, starting to share this video, magbibigay kami after this magbibigay kami ng 100 reals
Voucher.
gift voucher automatically. Again, for those who gonna watch our quick tour mamaya, asahan nyo, mamigay kami afterwards.
Sponsor ng, syempre,
Sponsor, syempre.
ng City Hyper.
Ng City Hyper Doha. So, bawat isa sa inyo, mabibigyan na ganito for the lucky winners. We have 3. We have 3 guys. So, tatlong lucky winners. Each will be having 100, syempre. So, again, we have fish. We have 2 reals for,
Onion.
mababa na lang, onion.
Oo, onion,
Malinis
napakamura,
sibuyas.
diba?
Yung mga balat sibuyas din.
Yung onion nila, napakamura
Onion.
sa 2 reals.
Oo, so 2 reals. At saka 3 reals lang, 6 yung bottles na water.
Oo, yung water.
6 real.
Yung water, 6 reals lang.
So, I think gustong-gusto ko na talaga maikutin to eh. What do you think?
Tara, ikot na tayo.
Tara,
Para
ikot na
ano,
tayo. So, behind us is our cart. Ito, pag nakita mo to, marami kang maano dito. Kasi mostly ako din nag-grocery ng pipili. So,
Ano
syempre,
ba nakuha mo dyan? May mga chippy
Oo
ka
nga
pa,
eh.
Century Tuna.
may chippy ka,
May
may
Argentina.
dato puti, di ba? Mga area, ganyan.
Jasmine rice. Ayun.
Siyempre, mantika. So, kailangan natin mantika. And then, siyempre, may mga chips tayo for our midnight snack. Meron yan.
Correct.
And then,
Guys,
meron tayong...
ayun. Madali lang na makita dito, iba? Nung nag-ikot kasi kami, madali lang makita yung promotion eh. Basta nakita nyo naka-neon colors, like yung ito, naka-neon orange, tapos green, siya yung nakalagay na promotion. So, pag nakita nyo may label na ganon, automatic na siya, nasa 1 to 100 promotion siya.
Yeah, and by the way, ito,
Hindi ko pa
Kinsa.
nabubuksan yung sa akin,
Hindi
Kinsa.
ba nabuksan yun sa'yo?
Guys, Kinsa.
So, Kinsa is actually Saudi brand, I think to made in Saudi. Ayan, Saudi made. So, our border. And by the way, we have also, syempre,
Yun,
proud
wala.
tayo.
Yeah, promote tayo ng
Promote tayo na,
na nasa Qatar.
promote tayo nasa Qatar. So, syempre, ito is
Double up.
double up.
Ito guys,
So,
yung mga
syempre,
drinks dito, double up
Qatari
cola.
company to.
Ayan, double up cola.
So, double up tayo. So, double up kasi magka-double kami. So, ito yung segment nito, double up.
double up. Double
So,
up.
Double up is cola made in Qatari product. So, Qatari product talaga siya. Ayan, oh.
Sa akin
So,
naman,
ito
Kinsa.
guys, mga competitor, looks like, tastes like, but price doesn't, you know.
hindi, ano.
Siyempre.
So, paano guys?
So na guys, so akit na kami, mag-tour na kami at ikot-ikot kami kayo. So next video guys, for sure, you'll be excited. Kasi syempre, talk lang tayo na knock dito. Ano ba talaga yung mga products dito?
so
Surely, we will be back for another live. And sa sunod na video natin, papakita natin yung mga products, papakita natin yung mga prices and their brands.
Okay. So bago
And
kayo
where
magpaalam
located.
guys, gusto namin magpasalamat syempre
Okay?
sa City Hyper. Ayan,
Sa City Hyper?
City Hyper sa Kuwait. Pasyalan nyo rin dyan yung mga kabayan natin na followers
Na nasa
namin.
Kuwait?
Oh, yung followers ng
Of
So yan,
course.
sa Kuwait, yan, puntahan nyo yung City Hyper dyan. At saka sa mga nasa Doha, Qatar naman.
Of course, sa mga nasa Doha, especially around this area. Ito na yung one-stop shop ninyo, the new hypermarket in town, the City Hyper Doha is located here at Salwa Road, and to cater your needs and a lot of products, lots of varieties, and the shopping experience is good. They're very clean. All products are available, and ito I think yung the best standard for supermarket, the next best standard for supermarket. So it's a new player in town, and we would like to support this brand and try to have the shopping experience as best of your comfort, no?
Limited time lang to guys ha, yung 1 to
Yep.
100.
Again, limited time lang to guys. So itong 100 to 100 1 to 100 reals nila worth of products is only limited until June 2nd.
June 4.
June 4 or June 4, which is actually 2 weeks actually.
Oh, 2 weeks.
So that will be starting from now, the 22nd of May until June 4. So you have still 2 weeks. You have until
Talaga
salary time.
cover talaga yung salary time natin
Oo
dito.
nga,
Eh.
na-cover
Talagang
yung
ang
sa
galing.
atin. And preparation for buying this weekend.
Yan.
Okay? So guys,
Location daw.
kami, location is, kung alam nyo guys, is yung Starbucks sa Salwa, doon sa may or Jarir na lang, kung alam yung Jarir.
Opposite.
Kung alam yung Jarir, opposite ng Jarir, sa kabilang kalsada lang. Or kalinya to ng mga ano ba yun? Flamingo.
Sabihin na natin.
Flamingo, mga kalinya na mga ganyan. But sa Starbucks, katabi siya ng Starbucks.
Tsaka may magandang parking dito. Napakalaki ng parking.
By the
Wala
way,
kang
they have their own parking lot.
correct.
So malawak din ang parking nila and very convenient kasi I think parang dito visited pa ng mga ibang tao kasi hindi pa masyadong kilala, which is just in your neighborhood. So again, this one is for you guys. Again, thank you to Mr. Aris.
Thank you. Thank you rin sa
From
social
Soyami
media.
talaga. And
Invite tayo dito.
and then we are really excited to give you the 1 to 100 products
Budol.
here.
Budol.
Budol. Actually, dapat palitan ito budol.
1 to 100
1 to 100 budol.
Yeah.
Filipino version.
Talaga sulit yung 1 to 100.
So sulit yung 1 to 100. So guys, you have their social media. You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram, and all you need to do is just share this video for you guys to win this 300 reals. Each will be having 100 reals for our winners.
Correct.
So again, next video will be roaming around. We will be going to every section here, and every products will be highlighted. And of course, we will be having this one. Pagod kami mag-ikot-ikot eh. So kailangan natin yung mga ganito. So guys,
Kinsa,
thank you.
Yan.
Kinsa baka naman.
Kinsa ko alam, baka naman. Yan.
Okay. At saka syempre,
Double up, guys.
Double up.
Double up.
Double up.
Double up.
Partner Aris, so double up kami. So,
Double
yeah.
up. Yan.
So guys, this is again another week or another weekend getaway on our Wednesday offer here at Qatar Social Media, and it's sponsored by City Hyper Doha, located at Salwa Road. And I would love to invite you all to come and shop, and it's very high experience in this hypermarket. Again, for all of those people out here, come and join us shopping and enjoy. So, bye for now. See you on my next one.